Hey guys, Ready Dog, how you guys doing today? I'm doing a little review for you here. I'm going to do a kind of a two-parter here. I've got this VOCIC Rollator here. This is it right here. I've got it out of the box over here. I'm going to throw it together. I'm just going to kind of show you some of the things about it. One of the things that I like about this thing is it requires no tools to assemble. No tools. You can snap it together. It's got these quick connects right here. See those? That little snap quick connect, very cool. And what happens is this just snaps right into this. You take that out, you can just snap this right into this frame. Goes like that, and you push the button, boom, pushes in. Then you have two other height adjustments right there. Very cool, very cool. Easy to put together. I'm gonna put this thing together as much as I can and show you. I don't wanna go too far with this. And it's really a pretty color too. I'm gonna take this up to my wife and let her do a little stroll around with it and see how she likes it. But let me get it put together and I'll be back in just a minute and I'll show you the finished product, and then we'll let my wife take a stroll around, take a rollator around with it. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Simple, took me about 5 minutes. I got the thing all put together, very nice. It rolls easy, it has the swivels in the front. It has these brakes. Both front, or actually back wheels have brakes, and you use them with these handles. See these handles right here? Right here, both sides have a brake. And man, those stop those wheels really good. So my wife will get a lot of use out of this. And see this storage bag down here? It has this storage bag that mounts right across these little rods here. And the bag can come off very easily. You just pull it right off. Pretty cool, and it has these straps. It even has a crossbody strap that you can put on these little loops right here. You see the clips right there? They go right there on the bag. And that way you can clip that on there and then carry this bag separate from your rollator if you need to. Pretty cool. I just thought that was pretty awesome. Pretty neat deal there. But anyway, I'll put this back on. We'll take it up, show the wife. Also, it's also a chair. I mean, look at this. Also something that's cool, valuables can be stored in a zipper pocket underneath. It's not a big thing, but if you need a wallet or put your cell phone, anything valuable that you want to carry, be right there in the seat, underneath the seat, so it's not seen. Also, have a sit. It's got this back on it, so you can actually sit down, see the back. It's kind of like a director's chair. Boom, you can sit back and have a little sit if you need to. Pretty handy, very handy. So anyway, kind of a neat thing. I'll put this back together. We'll take it up and see how the wife likes it. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got my wife. We're doing a little walkthrough of the rollator. Use the brakes. See what you think about those brakes. Work pretty good? Yeah, pretty cool. Fast. And it's a seat too, so you can turn around, hold the brake, and sit down. That way it stays steady. Is it comfortable?
Yeah, not bad. It gets to be better if it's a little shorter.
Yeah, it's a little tall for you. It can adjust quite a bit. I'd go down another 3 or 4 inches, but we won't do that now for the sake of the video. But do you notice the bag in the front? And that bag comes off too. It's got a shoulder strap in there. See that? You can take that shoulder strap and pull the bag right off of there. It just pulls right off of those little mounts, but pretty neat. Oh, and look, you don't take it off, but yeah, it just comes right off. And look under the seat. Lift the seat up and look under there. See, there's a little zipper pocket, so you can put your wallet or phone or whatever in there. Pretty neat, huh?
Nice stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
It's pretty smooth.
Yeah, it's rolls good and smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. We'll get a lot of use out of that, guys. Thanks, VOCIC, for a nice rollator. We like it. Y'all take care. Hey, there's one thing I forgot to show you. It's kind of cool. When you lift the seat up, if you lift this black bar up, it folds up. Just like that, so you can throw it in a trunk. Pretty cool. Yeah, it just folds right up. And then whenever you get it out, it'll fold right down, put the seat down, and you're ready to rock and roll. Pretty neat. Anyway, God bless, guys.